Okay, so inside the box, very well wrapped, protected in plastic, is the tank, the iron itself, which is attached by a longish cord. There we are. The wire, the flex, is very well protected and very sturdy for long-term use. The iron itself has, I think they said, 21 steam holes. The dial, as usual, is for setting the temperature, and it controls also whether or not you get steam out of it. And the plate has these rubberized holders to keep the metal surfaces apart. So the only things to talk about are the length of the cable, the electrical cable, which is quite long. I would say it's 1.5 meters, quite generous length. Then we have the controls here, on-off switch, the light indicator. When the light goes off, the temperature has been reached and you can start ironing. And here is a knob to control the amount of steam, I think, that comes out. And the tank is simply a question of pulling it out, filling it like this. Always turn off the electricity before filling it. And I'm going to put some water there and we'll get going. With a full tank, apparently this can go for 30 minutes without interruption, which is a huge improvement over the standard irons with just a little bit of water at a time. I'm using distilled water, the water that I get from my dehumidifier, but I think you can use tap water, but with all these appliances it's best to try and minimize the scale problem. So the tank is full. I'm now going to position this away from me. There. The iron goes there. The lead from the station to the iron is again about 1 meter, quite good. Okay, so we have put water in the tank. We have set the steam to almost maximum. I have set it for cotton, and I've noticed it tends to be a hot iron, so I've taken it down a little bit to wool at the moment. When the lights go off, except for the on-off light, when all the lights go off, it's ready to use. And I need to press the steam button if I want steam, and then I start to iron. And immediately I can see that this is a very capable iron compared to my old one. I'm ironing something here which is a mix of cotton and linen, usually extremely hard to do, and it's doing a very good job already. You can see the steam is maximum. Perfect. Very nice. Buy a t-shirt. Much more delicate. I just need a tiny little bit of iron in here, not too much. So I turned it down to warm. Should do the same way so I don't get the creases on the back. Perfect. It's working really, really well. I can see the difference between this and my old iron. Okay, we're done. Okay, did a super job here. Okay, another application for this iron is vertical steaming. If there is something that you think is a little delicate and you don't really want to press it in the usual way, you can try directing the steam right on the fabric like that, and it works as a garment steamer. Be careful of your feet in case some water drips, but basically I haven't seen any, but this is the technique, and it would work for things that you don't really want to press in the standard way. So 2 appliances in one. Okay, I'm doing now a rather delicate fabric. It says here low iron, so I have turned this down to rayon. I still have a ton of steam because I have the steam turned up, but I could adjust that down. So I'm just doing this very gently, and you can tell I'm not an experienced ironer. I don't actually enjoy ironing, I try to avoid it, but with this iron, maybe I will not quite hate it as much as I normally do. But this one is a terrific job. I might actually even start to iron a little more. It's handling a range of fabrics very, very well indeed. Okay, and so here's the result. And I think that's rather pleasing.